Hey, let me show you all display and the brightness settings that you can find on the POCO M8 5G. So the first option that you can find, basically we can change mode from the light to the dark, and also we can set the dark mode as a scheduled. So it will turn on and turn off in the specific time, but also you can force applications to run in the dark mode by clicking on those switchers. Below we can find screen brightness adjustment and automatic brightness. But there's also the sunlight mode that will actually increase the maximum brightness when you are outside. Below we can find the screen color option with the three presets, default presets. We cannot actually adjust them. We can actually change the color temperature with three default options and with the custom setup. By going back, we can find reading mode, and reading mode is actually the blue light filter. When you click on the classic, you can actually find a lot of options, like you can find the color temperature, you can even change texture, you can change color to get light colors, full colors, or black and white, and also you can reset that option. There's also a way to turn it on as a schedule from specific time, like with the dark mode. Below we can find refresh rate, automatic adjustment, and the custom one, so you can select 60 or 120 Hz refresh rate. Below we can find the font settings, two default options, font size and boldness. That's how it actually looks, and that's every option that is available in this display settings.